You're right there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this BMW F800R. So it's a 2015 on a 15 plate with 13,680 miles, and as you see, lovely looking bike this one. This particular one has got them Brembo brakes, comes with a touring pack as well. So you get the rails and the rack on the back as well. Also on this one, you get them really nice engine bars, you get a centre stand as well. You get that nice half digital, half analog display. It's got ABS and heated grips on there. Can be restricted down to an A2 as well, which is really nice. And it'll do just about everything you need it to. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.